your time. Let's watch this video.
You told us that Bobrisky has a very special feature, not so, yes, that he developed a breast, or he has breast, not so, and hips as well, and hips, yes, no problem. So did you, when you were entering his details, was he classified as a woman? Yes or no?
So we don't have right.
No. Was he classified? Wait, hold on.
We don't answer that.
Was he classified?
He's a male.
He's a male.
As male.
So what was the business telling us that because he has breast, he has Nash, that his case has to be treated in a different way? That's number 2 question. Number 3 question. Let me finish, please. Number 3 question. He also did say, he did mention to us that they were bringing his food from outside. Correct? He was not eating the prison food, not so.
If you are interned, yes. The food was coming from us.
Okay. Is it allowed by law?
Yes, sir.
What if they had poisoned the food and he dies in your custody? What would have happened?
We have our rules.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's all I have for now.
So I'll just go to now. In the video I posted online, I explained everything. For the people that saw the video, it was well detailed and well explained. How I got hold of that recording is as a result of Bobrisky blackmailing somebody he owes money. So, according to the story and according to the evidence, that a proof of chat that was sent to me, the person borrowed Bobrisky 4 million naira when Bobrisky was in the EFCC detention, or rather, in the private apartment lodge. The person gave him the money on the 19/6/2024. The person gave him the money, 4 million naira. It was transferred to this account number 0496411279. Abiola Okuneye, and as you know, Bobrisky's name is Okuneye, so apparently Kuda. So apparently this is his brother's account. So when it was time to get the money back, according to the story that he told me and the evidence I saw, told Bobrisky he wanted that money to complete his building in Lagos. So that was why I borrowed him the money. So it was now time to pay. From the receipt I have here, he sent him a message. Bobrisky refused to respond. Sent him another one after like few days. Bobrisky also refused to respond. When Bobrisky eventually responded, Bobrisky said, I'm going to give you the money in, I think, September. So September 1st, the guy reached out to Bobrisky again. Bobrisky refused. And the next thing that followed it was blackmail. He said, I will tell them that you are smooshing me and you are kissing me. So the guy felt very, very somehow because he felt like he was not going to get his money. God so kind, there's Verydarkman that has the platform to call out the people that owes money and they will pay. So a friend of mine who is very popular contacted me and he said, VDM, see what's going on. And I said, okay, no problem. If you have received, send it. Then when he sent it, now I'll say something here. When he sent it, immediately I made a video, first video, and I said, Bobrisky, I'm giving you 4 hours to pay back. Then he started begging the guy. Now what I'm going to say now, my lawyer does not know. Now he started begging the guy. Then he paid. Immediately, he paid. But when I listened to the audio, I said, nah, even though you pay, this has to go there out there, man. Because EFCC cannot go around harassing some boys, and somebody with a godfather will be pulling stones. I was detained in the prison. My very good friend, Sean Kuti, was detained as well. A lot of boys are inside the prison. Bobrisky is not any way better than them. So I didn't see any reason why I should keep the audio. I kept the receipt of his payment, which he paid that day. So immediately I got it, which was on Tuesday, September 24th, on Tuesday, just 6 days ago, I think. Then the chats acknowledging when he was disturbing the guy that he wants to refund immediately after he saw my video. And then yes, the chats. And the chats where he blackmailed the guy. There's a particular place where he blackmailed the guy. The chats also asking for the money. As a reminder, we would like to read one part on September 4th. He said, "Dear Bobrisky, this is a reminder for the return of the loan amount of 4 million naira as agreed. The due date for the return is September 1st. Mind you, this September 1st was Bobrisky that gave him the date." Then he said, "Kindly use the attachment account details to send the refund." Then he sent his account number. So because he didn't get it, he came to me. So I'll read the part of the blackmail that made him, because yes, I would like to verify that the guy said he's not gay. I don't know, I don't live with him, but he has kids. So he said he's not gay. Okay, so this part, after requesting, sorry. So this part, the guy went on saying things like, "I helped you when you get there. It's time to pay me now. I'm stressing me. This is not fair. I will not pay you like this." Then Bobrisky went on to say, "When you kiss me and smooch me, did you give me any money? Are you mad? Your visit to Nigeria that you kissed me in Lagos, did you give me anything? I didn't ask you for money. No, because I am fucking okay. If not EFCC, you think I'm going to ask you for money?" Does that mean it's because of EFCC that you
I know.
so if not EFCC, do you think I'm going to ask you for money? You are typing all this message to someone, help you post flyers without collecting anything from you. Wow. Go ahead and call me out. I will respond to you on IG. You know I am shameless and I don't care. You will get your money, I have your account. I don't want to look like someone that is ungrateful. But threatening me that you give me 24 hours is the height of it. I am waiting for you to post or call me out. So apparently the guy told him he was going to tell me. So these are the evidence I'm going to present now. Additionally, after this, there's the second one and there's the third one. And I'll be there.